description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, I've got the very last, if you were like, where's the ramen for the last, little while, these are all done as of today. I highly recommend Topokki, and this is the original. I think the first one I did of these was the pack version of their Topokki, and yeah, kind of coming full circle. This is good Seoul with their original flavored Topokki, and we're going to prepare it. So that's what's going on. It's August 8th, 2025, but for you, it's December 23rd, 2025, which means you only have 2 days left if you are of the Christmas persuasion. And yeah. See, I'm not a religious guy, and I'm already thinking about Christmas. No war on Christmas. Don't eat that. No, honestly, with how much you gotta spend and gifts and everything, it's kind of like Christmas has a war on me. That's what it kind of feels like sometimes, you know what I mean? Yeah. What's in the news today? I don't like numbers, so I'm going to blame it on the calculator. That's one thing. Another one is... what is it? I'm going to blow up everybody. Not me personally, but over that away. And tomorrow is a full moon. So there you go. And we just reloaded the bird feeder. I haven't heard a lot of bird insanity. But I hope the birds really like this new bird seed we got, because they've been making a mess. I gotta say. Quite the mess. Where is that fill line? Right. Oh, that's right. It's supposed to be hot water. I was like, I don't even need my little saucepan today to... Oh, wait. Now I'm thinking, yeah, you did. Well, I'll adjust a little bit. I don't know. Our microwave's pretty sturdy business, so I think just running it at full strength will probably do the trick. Oh. Original. And actually, I need this lid. So there we go. And 90 seconds. Here we go. Right. Right. There we go. So how the heck are you? Yeah, it's kind of a trip. It's August 8th. For you, it's December 23rd. And yeah, there are positives and negatives to being this far ahead. I mean, the actual post on www.theramenraider.com will come out in January. So I'm already doing reviews that won't show up until next year, and it's yeah, it's crazy. I think the offset is about what 2 months, 3 months, maybe like 40 days, 30 days between the video and the actual post with the review in it. I kind of wish they were synced up, but I don't have any idea how I would do that. I guess if I posted a bunch of videos in one day and did that multiple days, I think that would work. No, maybe. I don't know. But yeah. I'll have to think about that. The logistics of making it closer together. But yeah. Okay. No explosions. Ah. Very hot. The one thing I didn't do was get things ready. I did that one yesterday for the cheese. Let's go with, I think I want to try that. I kind of like that plate. So I've been working on the using my new camera. Whew. Yeah, it came out kind of soupy. Not bad. No, this is all right. I've been working on with that new camera and reading up on stuff, and I found out that a 50mm prime lens was probably the way to go. So I got one of those, and it's on the way. So what I really like about that camera is using my phone, pictures came out really nice, but they were small, and doing higher, I don't know, just like the settings on it are kind of pain in the butt. So I decided if I go full on DSLR for everything, except for this video, this phone works great for that. I mean, I could do that, but I would need a wide angle. I do have a wide angle lens though that I could put on the other one, but it could be good or bad. Anyways, yeah. But it's a work in progress. So if some of the images in the posts look a little like, please bear with me. I'm getting there. But soon, I'm hoping everything looks like unbelievably nice. But here is our tteokbokki, and this looks believably nice. So let's give it a try. So this original style is going to be spicy, sweet, saucy. Cheers. And spot on. I like that. Very good, very good. A nice note to end on, I think. Alright. By the way, thanks again to Good Soul for sending these. If you want to get some, head on over to the Gulf Coast region, like, what do they say? The GCC countries. And that's like Dubai, I think the UAE, maybe the KSA. I'm not sure. Persian Gulf area. Oh yeah. You will be able to find them there, and you'll be glad that you did. Start things off. But yeah, they're made in Korea. South Korea. And they also have, or rather, they're also going to have them soon in Europe. So look out for those there. These are really good, and I think everybody needs tteokbokki in their life. Kimchi as well. I rarely get kimchi. I'll get it, I'll put it in the fridge, I'll forget about it, and then it's got that, there's a term for it. like over kimchi-ified kimchi where it gets like really sour. Some people are really into that, some people not. Now the question is, how many eggs do I have left? Oh God, is that 3? Oh. I really only wanted to have 2 eggs left today. I didn't really think about it. I wasn't thinking. Some scallion. Peaky scallion. I'm thinking like, why do I want to use an egg? This is starting to come together really nice, and I don't want it to be all like that, but I guess this is the way. Yeah, I have 3 eggs. Yeah, we'll see. Alright. I'm going to do it this way. Oh. Where'd it go? Uh-oh. Now it gets tricky. I could AI it, but I don't wanna. So the problem is, I cut it too deep. So what I'm gonna do is go full on and use a spoon. Uh-oh. Oh, come on. Be helpful. It's difficult sometimes. Sometimes it's difficult. Uh-oh. That didn't pan out like I hoped. Yeah. Okay. I mean, I can do it in other ways, but I'm going to do it this way. Like, what is this guy talking about? What is he all freaked out about? This. I guess I'm going to have to AI it out a little bit. A wee bit. That confusing thing. Alright, sesame seed. Sesame seed, kimchi, scallion. Crushed red pepper, chili crud. I'm gonna go with crushed red pepper today. I think that sounds like a nice one. There we go. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Holy majoli. That looks like a thing right there. Wow. Oh, this is crooked. Sorry about that. If you are nauseated now, I didn't intend for extreme nausea. But there you go. That's it for me for today. Tomorrow for you is Christmas Eve, as you probably already know. So if you're at home you don't have anything to do, you can watch this. It'll come on at 9 a.m. Pacific time. No, wait. Yeah, this one came on at 9 a.m. Pacific time. So will tomorrow, and on the day of Christmas. So, if you ain't got nothing to do, come hang out. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.